അടിക്കും.
In an unfortunate traffic situation, a truck carrying many cars behind had an accident. The truck driver lost control of his vehicle, causing the vehicle to lose control and crash into the curb. The strong impact caused the truck to overturn off the curb, creating a truly chaotic scene. This incident not only caused property damage, but also raised big questions about traffic safety. It reminds us that controlling speed and traffic conditions is very important, especially when carrying goods or other vehicles. Drivers need to pay attention to external factors such as weather, road conditions, and surrounding traffic conditions. Maintaining attention and control of the vehicle not only protects yourself, but also ensures the safety of other road users.
Didn't I? That's where it comes from.
The video recorded a worrying incident when two cars fought for the right-of-way, making the road dangerous. The lack of awareness of both drivers when squeezing each other to get ahead is unacceptable, because it not only endangers their safety, but also threatens other road users. This situation is a warning lesson for all of us. Impatience and wrong decisions can lead to serious accidents, affecting lives and property. Drivers need to be aware that giving way and driving responsibly are very important to protect themselves and others. Traffic safety depends on the awareness and actions of each individual. Always be patient and respect traffic laws to ensure everyone's safety. It was dark on the highway. Vehicles were still moving normally when suddenly a serious collision occurred. A white car rushed forward at high speed, strongly colliding with a black car that had just changed lanes. Because it was going too fast and could not control the situation, the driver of the white car did not have time to brake, causing a very strong collision. As a result, both cars were severely damaged. Drivers need to always maintain a safe speed, concentrate highly, and pay special attention when other cars change lanes. Driving carefully and maintaining a safe distance not only helps avoid accidents, but also protects the lives and property of everyone participating in traffic. Driving carefully and maintaining a distance will help avoid accidents, protect lives and property on the road.
I don't know if I want it.
The video captures the tense moment when a tanker truck suddenly lost control and veered off the road, creating a dangerous situation for surrounding vehicles. Fortunately, there was no collision and no loss of life or property. Although this situation could have easily led to a serious collision, fortunately, the tanker truck did not hit any other vehicles, and there was no loss of life or property. Drivers need to stay alert, Pay attention to speed, road conditions, and surrounding factors. Especially with heavy vehicles, losing control can cause unpredictable accidents. Even in the fortunate event that no collision occurs, careful preparation and compliance with traffic rules will help us avoid unwanted incidents, protecting the safety of ourselves and everyone on the road.
I draw my own blood.
The gray car was driving dangerously, seriously obstructing other vehicles on the road. The driver ignored the danger and recklessly overtook another vehicle that was driving in the correct lane. This action not only frightened the people around him, but also threatened the general safety of the road. Intentionally overtaking unreasonably, not following safety rules, showed a lack of awareness and respect for road rules. This situation is a clear lesson about the need for responsible driving. Reckless overtaking not only endangers the driver himself, but also puts other road users at high risk. Reckless behavior can lead to serious consequences, so driving carefully and respecting the rules is always necessary to avoid unnecessary accidents. A security camera recorded a serious incident that happened at night. A white car was traveling at high speed on a deserted road, suddenly lost control and collided with a Hyundai parked on the side of the road. The impact was very strong, causing severe damage to the Hyundai. It is worth mentioning that after causing the incident, the driver of the white car did not stop to check the situation or take responsibility, but quickly left the scene, fleeing the incident he had caused. Drivers need to obey the speed limit, especially in densely populated areas or when visibility is limited at night. If an accident occurs, it is very important to stop and handle it responsibly. Driving safely and consciously not only protects yourself, but also ensures the safety of everyone around you.
It was about 15 years ago.
Jesus! आता तो 11चा झाला ना परत
Every traffic accident leaves behind painful consequences that no one wants. So remember that every trip is precious and safety must be put first. Do not take traffic rules lightly, because just a minute of carelessness can lead to unforeseen situations. Let's build a civilized traffic community together where everyone obeys the rules and respects each other. With just a little awareness and caution, we can protect ourselves and those around us.